On Your Side First Warning Weather with meteorologist April Madison.
5:14. Take a look at your screen right now. You see those little green blips on the radar moving north into Fort Worth, Texas. Kind of looks like a little bit of rain, but it's not. It's actually not wind. It's not UFOs. They're birds. Cold weather coming to a close. So many bird species are heading back north for the summer. The National Weather Service radar cut some of that migration. You can see it right there. Apparently, it's normal to see giant flocks around this time of year, and they've been doing this for years. A lot of times we see that knowing there's no weather imminent or around us. We oftentimes call that ground clutter, which can be a dust storm and or birds. So there you are, seeing it right there. 5:15, nice outside right now. Mostly clear skies. Got a few just very high level wispy clouds making for probably what will be another gorgeous sunrise to the east. 64 at the airport and here on the east side. There it is though. If you look at the radar again, we've been watching it all coming up from the south, which you would think would be bringing up our moisture, and it is slightly. It could be much drier. Unfortunately, there's just not enough moisture packed into those clouds to bring us much in the way of rain chances. That'll change, but mostly for those areas east of us. Today highs not changing much from the last several days, maybe a degree or two cooler in some locations, but other places may even see a degree or two above what they've seen the past couple of days. So a lot of 80s and low to mid 90s, even some upper 90s. Check this out, 97 in Sells and Ajo today. Phoenix looking to see its first 100, by the way. 94 in Tucson. Yesterday we were at 95. So we're not going to see a lot of wind today, and really not a lot of wind tomorrow, but you watch this wave kind of coming in, this red here. That's usually an indicator of stronger sustained winds. There are some areas that will see some breezy winds in the morning hours tomorrow, especially to our east, with wind gusts possibly reaching into the 30s, even in Tucson. But the stronger winds, that's yet to come. That'll be next week, and that's what's going to bring back the 80s and possibly even 70s. Today, we are going to be at 94, nearly 10 degrees above average. By Monday, we'll be right at where we should be, that average of 86 by Wednesday. Look at that. We plummet nearly 10 degrees below average, looking to see right around 77. So kind of remains to be seen right now how long we're actually going to hold on to those 70s, but we are expected to see it by the middle of next week with all of that wind moving in. I can tell you that the rain chances have actually started to go down for Tucson Friday night into Saturday. We still see about a 10%, but most of that will be over the higher elevations and east of Tucson. So we're not expecting a whole lot. It's just been so dry. Virga is about all we may see out of those clouds. But again, 80s and 70s next week, and a much cooler, breezy week ahead. Big Al?
17 minutes past 5, April.